Sveiki visi, mes šiandien žaisim Indigo parką.
All who journey to this newfound paradise,
Na. O. Kaip suprantu, čia yra tas Indigo. O. Gerai. Už tai be... Man jau nepapėtė.
Hi there, and welcome to Indigo Park, the world's most innovative and engaging family fun experience. Jump into the world of your favorite character. Wait, you're our first guest in 2,920 days, 4 hours, 23 minutes, and 38 seconds. Congratulations! I'm Rambly the raccoon, and it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is the most fun it can be. Just hop on over to the registration center to your left, where our friendly assistant will help you begin your adventure in the park.
Assistant.
Hi, I'm Rambly the raccoon, and it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is registered. Let me just get a good look at you. I don't seem to have your face in our guest list. Is this your first time here at the park?
Yeah.
Or did you just get plastic surgery? No
Yeah.
worries, it's Rambly Tuesday, so you qualify for a big discount on your visit. Just follow me to the main gate. Ooh, I can't wait for you to see everything Indigo Park has to offer.
Nu. Man nepatinka. Gerai. Gerai, nu tai, žinai, pretty decent gameplay. Ai, leidi mane. Čia kaip man.
What's the holdup? The gate is open. Head on into the entryway. Hold on.
Na.
My mistake. The gate is not open. There seems to be an error message being sent from the gate's power unit.
Kodėl tu toks
Lucky
geras? Jei,
You get to be the first person to try our turn on the generator mini Rambly venture.
Aš apšiai egzistuoju? Aš tik skraidančios rankos.
The Indigo Violet Compact Power Generator. But it seems to be inoperable. Looks like it's missing a piece. Can you find it?
Jo, tai tą tai jau žinau. Tai kur tą turinį ras? Ai va. Nu va, prašom, nu ką dabar. Ką? O! Kai kam mums reikėjo.
Okay, for real this time. Welcome to Indigo Park.
Push. Ai. Aha. Kažkas čia labai seniai buvo ir viskas apauga.
Silly Rambly. Every guest needs a critter cuff. That will allow you access to reserved areas, charge payments to your room, and wear a
Man ta
critter
kamera
cuff.
nepatinka, ta
There's some in
kamera.
the gift shop. Head in there and I'll get you set up.
Čia taigi
There
nebuvo.
you go, buddy. Your very own critter cuff. A new way to interact with the park that also doubles as a pedometer, heart monitor, and mood ring. Data disclosure included.
Ką jis ten sakė? Na gerai, turim naują braceletą ir save nusižudė. Kietai, man tai patinka, žinai.
Uh-oh, the door mysteriously locked. Why not test out your band and save the day?
Gerai. Aš paukštėjau.
Hooray! Great work, buddy. Now try entering the park, and we can start our Indigo adventure.
Gerai. Jokiose nėra kamerų. Jokiose kameros. Aš simalai šitą parką eičiau. Gerai. Ai, tai aš ką tik iš ten atėjau, ar ne? Ai, už manęs užkrito viskas. Rambley's Railroad.
Pardon our dust, buddy. Looks like the park is going through some renovations. For the inconvenience, your Rambley Tuesday discount will be 3% off. Why not celebrate this great deal with a ride on my railroad? To test your sleuthing skills, I'll let you find this one all by yourself.
Tiesiog ateik čia, ne? 2 trains. Manęs nieks nesako. Nenoriu, kad tos bičiukas iš start ekrano mane. Store. Ne, neįskaitau, kas ten.
Racial data suggests you may be a bit older than the target audience for this ride, but it's one of my favorites. Do you know why Rambley the raccoon loves Rambley's Railroad?
Ne.
Because I like trains.
Kita. Čia kartais ne mažiems vaikams raidas. O! Aš galvoju, čia kaip kalniukai bus. Ne, tiesiog žinai, likiuoja. O viršūnė, tipo, nieko nėra?
Welcome to Rambley's Railroad. I'm Conductor Rambley.
Man nepatiko tai. O, labas.
Oh, look, it's Molly McCaw.
Cool.
Molly McCaw, the greatest pilot you ever saw.
You sure are, Mol.
Ką? Čia tiesiog borderį nėra. Ir tiesiog viskas juoda.
Oh, Finley, come on out and greet the people.
Ai.
Hi, Rambley.
Why the long face and body?
You've known me for 100 years, Rambley. We'll see. It's as blue as me.
Tu žalis.
I hope you'll visit. I'm so lonely.
Oceanic Odyssey currently closed for repairs.
Kaip jis toks, kaip jie padarė tokia jai? Net ChatGPT negalėtų būti toks. O! Kur tą dalyką? A, aš toks sakos. O, man patinka kažkas dabar įvyks, ne? Aš gausiu didžiausią jumpscare savo gyvenime. Ai, ne.
Hey there, Lloyd.
Do not shame me with that common folk name. I am the proud, the prestigious, the professional Lloydford L. Lyon, actor extraordinaire.
Great act, Lloyd.
Of course it was.
Wow.
So, what do you think? Pretty fun, right? Now you know all about my friends and Lloyd. So, where do you want to go?
Iš čia. Kodėl aš iš viso atėjau čia? Šipo mechanikas. Gerai, iš kur šitiek akmenų atsirado? Čia. Katė? O, kokia mela katyčia. Ką tu veiki ant stalo? Ai, dar tu paklausom. Gero gaus. Kas dabar pareis viskais? Kad ko tu šitą katę tiek?
This here is an information kiosk. If there's anything around the park you want to ask me about, just stop by here and I'll ramble on about it.
Gerai, aš turiu tą.
Congratulations! You found me! Don't I look adorable?
Gerai, ir kodėl tu taip katini?
Ooh, that's a Rambley cup! Nothing beats the taste of fresh Rambleberry juice drunk directly out of my plastic, lifeless head!
Čia yra dar keli dalykai. Čia. Ir tu katini, Max. Golden! She's golden!
Wow, is that a limited edition gold Rambley plush? Parents were fighting tooth and nail for those things when they came out. Seriously, our employees had to clean up so many stray teeth and nails. Hard to believe there was all that demand for a regular Rambley plush we just blasted with gold spray paint.
Oh, damn.
Well, look at that! You're at Jetstream Junction!
What's this?
Oops! Looks like Jetstream Junction's being tuned up. Last I checked, there's a security office in the back of the theater. Maybe a friendly wrangler can help you get in.
Dabar turiu pastaloidą varyti. Kaip sėkmę aš tave paglosiu, žinai. Ai, daryk duris, Loide. Jis 2 kartus aktyvavus. Turiu. Pravažiavom. Na, aš tikrai ten neeisiu. Žinai, iš kiekvienas iš tų filmų, kaip Penny, nu,
Hey, buddy, I've got eyes all over the park, but I can't see anything behind the stage. If you're going back there, be careful. Your critter cup is not yet able to resuscitate you.
Hello there.
Oho. Jo, žinai, per tą, norėjau pasakyti, kaip per tą Pennywise filmą, tiesiog, aš pamatau kažką baisaus. Mums reikia varyti eksplorinti tai. Mums tikrai tas kaip gyvas liūtas, net kas galvos. Gerai, žinai. Aš net negalėjau pakalbėti per tą situaciją, aš taip išsigandau. Kokia čia? Jūs gal nežinai, jūs tiesiog žiūrit. Aš nebėgsiu visus šitus suknus kelią. Eik tu! Gerai.
Say, why don't you check out Molly's Rooftop Races? It's not far from here, and it's a great warm-up before we get into the bigger rides. Just take it up at Molly's landing pad. Oh no, this is horrible. Looks like Molly crashed into the ride again. Don't worry though, your pal Rambley has the repairman on speed dial. Say, why don't you check out Molly's landing pad? It's not far from here, and it's a great cool down after that exhilarating ride. Just take a down from Molly's Rooftop Races.
Oh, ne. Vienas iš dalykų baisiausių žmogaus dalykai tai yra tokios žaidinių vietos. Ui! Gerai, kamuoliukai čia plastikiniai ir netikri. Žvaigždė. Oh, hell not, man! Mėlynas yra žvaigždė, žalis yra trikampis. Šitas turi būti žvaigždė. Tu geltonas. Kaip įsivaizduoju. Nu, šitas puzzle buvo... Na, tau vis nieko nepamoka, kad tave bandė liūtas nužudyti. Labas. Kas per... Dang, bro. Varau prieki! Ne ten! Ne! Bėk, durniau, bėk!
Ah, there you are, buddy. Wait, hold on. This room's staff only.
I don't give a f***.
Is staff?
O, Dieve! Nekenčiu. Skratim to paukščio. Aš radau tave mini. Ai, neradau. Gerai.
Hey, buddy. Did you dig that out of the lost and found? Or was it in the trash? No surprise, I guess, that our park would dispose of a non-Indigo brand toy. I suppose he'd make playtime special for a child with poor taste, though.
Shut down.
Wow, you made it to Oceanic Odyssey. You're doing a great job, Rookie Wrangler. You'll find a potpourri of porpoises, pickerels, and perches as far as the eye can see. But please don't tap the glass. Never really know what lies beneath the surface.
Ir tas archyvas.
Hey, buddy. You okay? You look kind of tired. Do you need a moment? Don't worry, it's fine. I don't blame you for taking a rest after all that. Heck, I could go for a nice, relaxing defragmentation myself. But before you settle down, you up for a little survey to help us improve the park?
Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. Hope all your dreams came true.
Okay, I'll let you go. See you next time, buddy. Please?
Bet. Damn. Patiko chapter 1. Praise, thank you. Indigo Park is a full passion. Tai tikiuosi jums patiko chapter 1 Indigo Parkas. Man tai labai patiko. Išskyrus jumpscares. Tai aš lauksiu antros dalies, nes man patiko pirma dalis. Tai tikiuosi jums irgi patiko ir geros jums dienos.